Are you looking to set up CoConstruct for maximum efficiency? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to get the most out of CoConstruct, ensuring it works seamlessly for your construction project needs. Stick with me until the end, because I've got some exclusive bonuses to share with you that you won't want to miss. First, let's start by getting your account set up properly. After signing up, you'll need to customize your profile to match your business's specific needs. This means adding your company logo, adjusting notification settings, and linking your accounting software to CoConstruct for a smooth flow of financial data. Doing this ensures that you won't have to manually input data later on. Next thing, you'll want to set up your project templates. CoConstruct lets you create customizable templates for various types of projects, whether it's a custom home or a remodel. This step is crucial because it saves you time and ensures consistency across all your projects. Make sure to include your most frequently used line items, budget categories, and workflows. You can always adjust the template as you go, but having a strong foundation from the start is key. The third thing you need to do is add your team members. CoConstruct makes it easy to assign roles and responsibilities to your crew members, subcontractors, and other stakeholders. By giving them access to the platform, everyone can stay on the same page and get real-time updates. This is especially important for communication and preventing any miscommunication on site. It's crucial to set permissions carefully to ensure each team member has the right level of access. Now, let's talk about project management. To run your projects efficiently, you'll need to set up schedules, task lists, and project timelines. CoConstruct allows you to break down tasks and assign them to specific team members. With the scheduling tool, you can track progress and quickly adjust timelines when things change, which happens often in construction. Make sure to update your project's progress daily so that everything is always up to date. Next, let's talk about budget management. Setting up accurate budget categories and tracking expenses is one of the most powerful features of CoConstruct. It connects directly with your accounting software, so you can see real-time financial data and keep your projects on track. Regularly updating expenses, adding change orders, and reviewing estimates are essential for preventing budget overruns. CoConstruct's budget tool lets you track these with ease. The sixth thing, which might be the most exciting for many of you, is customizing your client portal. CoConstruct gives you the option to set up a client portal where homeowners can view project updates, approve change orders, and communicate directly with you. Having a transparent and easy-to-navigate portal for your clients is essential for good customer relations and ensures everything is running smoothly on both ends. Lastly, don't forget to integrate CoConstruct with any other software you're already using. Whether it's project management tools, accounting software, or design software, CoConstruct has various integrations that can streamline your workflow even further. This will save you even more time and prevent double entry. If you follow these steps, you'll be well on your way to setting up CoConstruct for maximum efficiency, helping you manage projects faster, with more accuracy, and with less hassle. And remember, you can try CoConstruct for free through the first link below and even get exclusive bonuses. This extended free trial is only available for a limited time, so act fast. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.